Hola! It's me again, Grace. So from the moment I posted my new journey in life, charot, until now I still receive a lot of messages, from Instagram, Messenger, LinkedIn. They are asking about how to apply, how to become a student here in Canada, what are the steps and whatnot. Okay, so I know that feeling too, because that's what I felt before. Like, oh my god, how can I do this? No, there's a lot of steps actually. Alright, so watch this and enjoy the ride. Even me, I didn't know how to start sharing my thoughts because I have a lot of thoughts and info that I want to share, but let's begin with this. I started approaching a legit immigration consultant since they've offered a free consultation to know the steps and all the requirements needed. So they share with you the basic requirements first. But if you don't want to have a consultant, you can also do it yourself or DIY. So you can visit the IRCC website to search for how to apply for international students in Canada. So I will put the link in the description below. Just click it and then just follow through, go through, read it, everything, okay, before you take your first step. So the first thing you need is gather all the requirements needed to enroll in school, okay, and find a school that has DLI, meaning Designated Learning Institute. That school can host international students. And also select your course that you want to take, okay. Please do note that you need to select a course that has PGWP. PGWP stands for Post-Graduation Work Permit, allows students who have graduated from a participating Canadian post-secondary institution to gain valuable work or valuable Canadian work experience. Okay, please do not enroll a course or in school if there's no DLI, Designated Learning Institute, and PGWP course, okay, the post-graduation work permit. Because after you graduated, you can't work here in Canada, or after you finish your course, meaning when you're done, you need to go back to your country. So that's very important to choose the DLI school with DLI school and PGWP course. Okay, so let me share the school requirements for enrollment. So these are fixed requirements for school where you want to enroll, okay. You may also visit the school website to check if there are added requirements for that specific school. So first, diploma of your high school and college. But if you haven't finished your college yet, then you finished your 72 units, you can still enroll. But just to make it sure, please visit the school website and you can ask question about it, how to know more details regarding that 72 units finished and no college diploma to submit, okay. The second one is Form 137 from your high school. Third, the TOR, transcript of records from college school. Fourth, birth certificate. Fifth, police and NBI clearance. Sixth, IELTS. Actually, IELTS or IELTS, this is not needed for Filipino. We are exempted for this because we're good in English, right? Yeah. And number 7 is MOI. So MOI, this stands for Medium of Instruction in English, both high school and college. Okay, you need to get that. 8, of course, your passport. Be sure your passport is valid. If not, renew it. Okay. After you gather these requirements, do check now the other requirements for your visa application before you enroll in school. So that you're ready what are next steps to do, especially if you do it yourself or DIY process, because no one professional consultant will guide you. Again, check the IRCC website. Okay, that is really important. And also get more updated information about it. So these are the main requirements for visa application. So I just want to share the main requirements for visa application. First is the SOP. So this is the statement of purpose in an essay form in maximum of 2 pages. Second is proof of funds. Third, sponsor if you have someone that can sponsor your study abroad. Fourth is LOA, letter of admission or acceptance from Canada school. Fifth is other documents. This may vary, it depends to all applicants, because every applicant has different story, like if you have lot title, cars, house, etc. So you can also submit all those, all those papers, all those documents. And for those who are asking how much for a single applicant, roughly estimate based on my experiences around 900 to 1 million. So it depends. It depends what course you are going to take. And for family with kids, much more higher, because you also need to present a proof of funds each. Okay, it's very important. And or with partner, or with common law wife or common law husband, it's a little bit lower, maybe, if no kids. Yeah, maybe I can share the full details about the cost for single applicant on my next video. So for now, these are the things that I can share. I hope it will help you guys. So okay, please subscribe, like, comment, and if you have further questions or want to know more about this international student application, I'll be happy to assist you, but not all. I'm gonna check if I can help you, and I will do my best to. Okay, so alright, so thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.